Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is a channel for all video editing and post-production in Final Cut Pro X. And if you're interested in any plugins, this is our website. Some plugins that are free and some that you have to pay for, but there's plenty plugins. We also have a sale going on our B3 Effects bundle suite. That was $75, it's now $40 now. It's a limited time that's available. You get 6 amazing plugins. I made a video that's on the top right of this screen right now that you can click on about all the plugins available in this suite. But let's get right into the video. Okay, so we have our clip here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go up to the Edit tab. And you're going to go down here to Captions. And you're going to add a caption. And you can type wherever you want to type. So let's say you want to put something else just so it can like follow along. You can hold Option on the Mac. I'm not sure what it is on a Windows computer, but you would hold down Option on the Mac and drag down, and that creates another duplicate of that. And you can just type something different. Just if you have a voiceover or something like that, you can just follow it throughout the timeline just like that. All right, I'm just using this as an example, and that's basically how you use captions. And this part is very important. So in Final Cut Pro, you would export right here. So after you export, you would go to Export File, and you would go to Roles, and right here, you would click on Captions right here. And you want to make sure you want to burn in the caption. This is very important. If you don't choose this, then it won't show up in the final render. So you would go to this one right here, and you press OK, and you would hit next, and it's gonna export. It's gonna export, and after the export, we have our final render. And voila, the captions are there. If this video helps you out in any way, please consider liking and subscribing because we will be coming out with a lot more content. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you soon. All right.